Hello everyone! Today we're taking you on relaxing and exciting trip to one of the top destinations here in Davao. Let's go and explore Eden Nature Park!
Eden Nature Park is located in Turil, Davao City. It's around an hour away from downtown.
You love nature, adventure, and good food. This place is perfect for you.
We're finally here! Let's check in and start our adventure!
Wow, the air here is so fresh and cool. You can really feel nature everywhere.
So first, let's stop and appreciate the plants.
Here in Rainbow Pass, you can see many flowers, especially this one. They see there are so beautiful flowers out here in Rainbow Pass.
For animal lovers, there's also the deer park. You can feed the deer and take photos up close.
For a taste of culture, there's the Tinubdan area where you can learn about tradition and belief of Mindanao.
After a morning full of adventure, it's time to eat. There's restaurants serve fresh and delicious dishes.
My favorite part? The fresh fruits and vegetables grown right here in the park.
Perfect place to relax and enjoy nature while eating.
It's so peaceful here. Definitely the best place to unwind after a long week. Eden Nature Park is not just about fun activities. It's also a peaceful escape where you can recharge and connect with nature.
Every corner here reminds you to slow down and appreciate the beauty of the environment.
Also, wear comfortable shoes if you plan to explore the trails. Don't forget your camera. Every spot here is Instagram worthy.
Eden Nature Park has its own fishing area where you can try catching your own fish. It's fun, relaxing, and perfect for first timers. And once you catch a fish, they can cook it for you right here, freshly prepared straight from the pond. Before we go home, of course, we won't forget everyone's favorite part, pasalubong. Eden Nature Park has a lot of local made products, perfect for your family and friends. So, if you're visiting Eden, don't miss the chance to support local and bring home something special.